Welcome to this quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to create multiple size charts and match each size chart to different products. First, add a size chart button block. You can create a size chart in multiple ways. By directly editing a markdown table, by selecting an image, or by creating a Shopify page with the size chart. Let's add another dimension and a size to the size chart. You can immediately see the updated table. You can also edit the second tab to include instructions. You can hide the second tab by clearing its content. Now I'm going to use multiple size charts and conditionally render the right one for each product. We can achieve that by creating multiple mega size chart button blocks and matching each one to the appropriate products or categories. Let's select the products for the first size chart. Now, create a new mega size chart button block for the second size chart. Select the garments for the second size chart. Notice that you don't see the second button now because it's not filtered for the current product selected in the theme editor. Let's adjust it a little. The first size chart will appear in its filtered products. The same goes for the second size chart.